Today, we're reviewing the Ninja Air Fryer Pro, a 5-quart, 5-in-1 kitchen appliance designed for everyday cooking. It features 1,750 watts of power and air crisp technology, aiming to deliver hot, crispy results efficiently. This compact model is ideal for individuals, couples, or small families looking for a reliable air frying solution. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore how this air fryer performs in real-world scenarios. The basket size and 5 versatile functions make this unit highly effective for preparing common everyday meals, fitting smoothly into daily routines. Its 400-degree circulating air technology effectively crisps foods like fries and chicken wings, consistently delivering that desirable texture. Straightforward presets and easily removable, dishwasher-safe components ensure a user-friendly experience, making both cooking and cleanup simple. The 5-quart capacity is practical for smaller households, though it can require multiple batches when cooking for larger groups. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro handles everyday cooking tasks with impressive efficiency, delivering consistently crispy results and offering straightforward operation. Let's consider the overall value proposition of this appliance. Ninja is a well-known brand, providing broad product availability and a robust customer support ecosystem for greater buyer confidence. It delivers strong core cooking performance without the unnecessary complexity or higher cost of more feature-rich, premium models. Its compact design makes it much easier to manage on various countertops, proving a distinct advantage over larger, bulkier air fryers. Among comparable single-basket air fryers, this Ninja model remains a consistently reliable and safe choice for general cooking needs. Considering its strong brand presence, reliable performance, and space-saving design, this air fryer offers a solid value proposition for buyers. Understanding potential issues helps make an informed purchasing decision. For larger households, the 5-quart basket often necessitates cooking in multiple batches, which might be less convenient during meal prep. To maintain the integrity of the non-stick coating, users should exclusively employ non-abrasive tools and careful cleaning methods. As with many air fryers, the exhaust area gets hot during operation, requiring adequate clearance from surrounding objects for safety. Ninja offers excellent customer support, including widely available replacement parts and reliable warranty services for peace of mind. While there are minor considerations regarding capacity and material care, the robust brand support enhances overall buyer confidence. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro AF142 stands out as a highly dependable option for individuals, couples, or small families. Its combination of efficient crisping, intuitive controls, and a practical size makes it an excellent choice for everyday cooking. While larger households might find its single basket limiting, it remains a strong recommendation for anyone seeking a reliable, general-purpose air fryer with solid brand support.